While you're sitting at home right now drinking your hot chocolate and praying you don't have to shovel again, every Major League Baseball team is getting ready for the 2014 season. Players have already reported to spring training for some teams. It's nice when you have fields to work with in Arizona and Florida, but here in Northeast Pennsylvania, we have to head indoors to get work in. For the past 5 years, Jeff Antolik and a few other coaches from Valley West Little League in Cunningham have been hosting free clinics for the league's players during these cold winter months.
Right, a little better balance, right? So pitching's all about balance.
Life is also about balance. You need to find time for your family, friends, and work. You also have to decide what you want to do with your precious free time. For Jeff Antolik, a former pitcher in the New York Yankees organization, he knew for a while that he wanted part of his balancing act to include helping local kids.
I kind of grew up in a baseball family, which was kind of cool. I mean, all my uncles had played baseball. My dad was obviously, liked to play baseball and stuff like that. Didn't have a lot of opportunity when they were young, I think, to get a lot of the instruction. I think I look around, I was supported by a lot of great people growing up, and a great family that, they make the sacrifices to take you to every game, every practice, things like that. So I was certainly fortunate.
At one point during this pitching clinic, Antolik let go of the ball into the padding on the wall. The kids let out a collective wow. Little did they know that the feeling is mutual.
This is our 5th year here, I think, doing this, and it amazes me every year how kids within an hour and 15 minutes, really almost an hour, can pick up so many basic fundamentals and be able to do things properly, where they come in and they have no idea, what's balance point and stride position and things like that. And at the end of an hour, they have some pretty good pitching mechanics, and it's exciting.
Antolik is one of a handful of baseball greats from the Hazleton area, like Russ Kanzer, Kyle Landis, and Justin Gutsy, who give back to the community and the next generation of ball players. Antolik sees a bright baseball future ahead with the kids he coaches and the likes of Sal Biazzi at the Hazleton area high school.
With Joe Madden leading the way, and then Russ obviously being drafted out of here, and you have Kyle Landis and Justin Gutsy. I mean, there's a lot of great baseball players here, to name a few, and a lot of kids that went on and played, Division I, Division II baseball. So I hope that continues here. I see it. I think I think it is a very baseball-rich area. I think you have a couple kids from the high school now signed with, Sal going to Penn State and Joey Barron, I think, going to Boston College. So I hope that continues. I mean, that's great for the community. It's great for the kids to be able to go out and have that opportunity to play.
Antolik's message seems to be getting through.
What did you learn today? What do you remember from today? List a little bit of what you learned today.
To turn your foot a little towards your target.
You know what? You got to make it fun. You know what I mean? So I'll use things like no flamingo, lowercase h, letter C, skim the water, things that, I think young kids can remember. And, the thing about baseball is it's not going out and having kids stand in the outfield and one kid taking, 50 swings of batting practice. Kids get bored with that. I get bored with that. So it's making it fun, and kids will do things that are fun. And if you can make learning fun, they're going to learn along the way. So, yeah, it's great. I mean, I said I love doing it. I'll continue to do it, and hopefully we'll see these young kids in 5, 6, 7, 8 years maybe advancing on and playing some college baseball as well.
Yankees don't use the term flamingo leg.
Yeah, no, we don't use that one. That's we don't throw that around too much with the Yanks. But yeah, it's been a lot of fun.
The fun is just getting started because, believe it or not, baseball season is just around the corner.